very good morning to all of you. You are most welcome in this session. Today I am going to solve maths of class 5. Okay, it is a new chapter rounding numbers. Okay, so rounding numbers in exercise 51. Here you will learn round off each of the following numbers to the nearest 10 or nearest 100 or nearest 1000 or 10,000. Okay, so if the question given round off to the nearest 10, it means that you have to find out the nearest 10 multiples of 10 which is given. Suppose that 81 is given, so 70, 80 and 90, we have to count in tens. 70, 80, 90. With this number 81 is here, you have to find out this will be the nearest or this will be the nearest. 80 will be nearest or 90 will be nearest. Simple, between 80 and 90 we have 10. Okay, 81, 82, 83, 84, 5, 86, 87, 88, 89. Okay, these numbers are, and then 90 and here 80. So which is the nearest? 90 is nearest or 80 is nearest? And the question is 81. If 81 is nearest 80, so answer is 80. Or suppose that some other 75, here tens digit is given, so suppose that 70 here, so 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 and 80. And the question is nearest 10 you have to change, in tens place you have to change. Okay, so 75 is nearest, this is at middle, which is nearest? 1, 2, 3, 4th step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th, you will get there, here also 5th. So in that situation we have to remember one thing, that which question is given, you have to, if the nearest 10 is given, so now first find out which is tens place. Tens place is 8, tens place is 7, tens place is 7 here also. So you have to look the ones place. If in before 1 digit you have to find that if ones place is, if ones digit is 5 or more than 5, or 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, if one's digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 9, then we add plus 1 into the tens place. If this is more than 5 or 5, so we add plus 1 in the tens place. Okay, so here add plus 1. Here this is the less than, here you can write ones digit equal to 1, which is less than 5. That's why the nearest 10 or rounding number equal to 80. You have to make the rest 1 0. Okay? And here the ones digit is equal to 5. Okay? So rounding number equal to add plus 1 in the tens place. Only tens place here plus 1. It becomes 8 and this is 8 and the rest is 0. Okay, rest ones digit you will make 0. Okay, now here ones digit that is also more than 5. Ones digit is more than 5, so rounding number will be 2089 and plus 1 here 8 and 0. Okay, so here write since ones digit 9 which is more than 5, you can write which is more than 5. Okay, that's why rounding number is add plus 1 here. 2 0 8 9 and 7 become 8 and the rest is 0. This is the okay. 79 will be the nearest of 80. Simple. Okay, now the second question, that is the nearest 100. Now I take some more example. Now I have taken 3 more questions, and here the changes is you have to change to the nearest 100. You have to find the round of numbers in nearest 100. Okay, so first we find out which is nearest, which is 100 place, ones, tens, 100 place, that is 100 place, ones, tens, 100, ones, tens, 100, this is okay. So we said that before one digit, before one place, so we have to now look in before one place, that is tens place, okay. Here write down first, since the tens digit is 1 which is less than 5, that's why rounding number same you have to it become 0 0, so that is 4 0 0, rest becomes 0, means ones place and the tenth place become 0. Now here also here, that is you can now write down the 10th place is 5. Okay, that's why the rounding number which is rounding number, so we have to add plus 1 in the 100 place, so this become 5 and this is 7 and rest become 0 0. This is the answer. Okay, here also you can add this is more than 5. Just same you can write that since 10th place is 7 which is more than 5, that's why we change we add 1 in the 100 place. 2 1 8 it is same here, add plus 1, 6 plus 1 7 and rest become 0 0. Okay, very simple. You can do now. Now I take the next. Now we learn rounding off to the nearest thousand. Now I have taken 7 number question, round off each of the following numbers to the nearest crore. Okay. Now in nearest crore, first find out which is the in crore place. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. This is crore place. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay. Now I said that before crore place you have to look there. If the digit is 5 or more than 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, then we add plus 1 in the given place. Okay, crore. So in crore we add plus 1. So start writing. Since the crore, then 10 lakhs, then the 10 lakh digit is 2, which is less than 5, which is less than 5. That's why the nearest, the rounding number, is, it is less than 5. That's why we will not add plus 1 in the crore place, and the rest becomes 0, 0, 0. It means 6, and that is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, 3, 7, 0, 7, 0. Okay. Now here same, the I write this one here. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0. This is the answer. Now here same you can write, since the 10 lakhs place digit, that is 5. That's why the rounding number, this is 5. That's why we have to add 1 here. So it becomes 10. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 6. It means it became 1 crore. Okay. And now here, this is more than 5. We have to add plus 1 here. It becomes 1, and this is 1. And the rest 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this will be the answer. But here you have to write in the process this type of words you have to write. Okay, I hope you got it. And if you have any queries, then in Zoom meeting we will discuss about that. Okay, so see you in the next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye.